So this first article, here's our strategies, how to play, how to trade the summer stock market doldrums. Again, the first article, and I'll put references. I couldn't put them in the description box, so I'm going to put all these references in a comment, pinned comment attached to this video, so you can reference them in more detail. So we can kind of look at a few of them very quickly. The second one, this one, how to beat the summer market doldrums. The main thing I wanted to take away coming out of that, stay away from riskier plays. Again, in the summer, you're going to have lower lower volume, lower liquidity. So, he's saying, there's no reason to bail. We agree. We don't like the sell in May thing. We want you to stay in the markets and keep making money. It's just a matter of how to make money. So they're saying, particularly strong in economic consumer discretionary. So again, but stay away from more speculative and come back in the autumn. And here's an article on gold. Again, I won't bring that one up, but you can read that they're predicting that gold is summer doldrums could be ideal for gold, which maybe we're seeing the initial bump on that. So this, and again, you can read this in more detail. It has a little video, but it goes through some of the historical analysis saying, is this actually true that the markets perform worse in the summer or not? Essentially, he's saying, it's kind of a misnomer. Which all these historical, it's a generalization, so it's not always going to be true, but in general, and you can kind of understand people do go on vacation. They're more focused on other things other than the markets. So some of the other things that we wanted to talk about in terms of helping you trade these summer stock market doldrums is if the market is slow, if there aren't any trades that fit your particular strategies, or the liquidity is not there, the volume's not there, etc. Don't force your trades. And while it's slow, there's plenty of other things to do that will benefit you to help you make money in the future. So, use those slow times to what I like to say, sharpen your saw, which is hone your skills. And some things we want to suggest in terms of honing your skills is, okay, so let's start thinking about what's next. And again, I'll leave these references to these articles in a pinned comment. So start thinking forward. So where are we going after this? We know we're probably going to go in recession. Interest rates are going up. Unemployment's going up, etc. As Tanvir pointed out, we're talking about gig type stocks, unemployment type. So if unemployment's higher, who's going to benefit? With high inflation, we see a trade down. Again, please reference some of the notes from our previous game plans. And again, there's a link to the Google Drive folder where you can access our previous notes for our game plans. We've been talking about, recession-proofing your portfolio, how to trade inflation, how to trade recession, and it's all in those previous notes. So again, start, skating to where the puck's going to be. So where are we going to head after this? Here's an article about the election cycle and the fact that, it might bottom in the third quarter and then rally in the fourth quarter. So that's what this particular article is saying based on the midterm elections, what we might see. So we can prepare for that and set up our portfolios and trades accordingly. So some of the other things I'd recommend for sharpening your saw is, review your trades. Hopefully you're already keeping track of your trades, and so you can go back and review them, review the performance of your various trades. And look for opportunities to improve. You know, how could you do better in the future by reviewing your trades? Also, you know, you could back test or test any new trading strategies. If there's a new strategy you wanted to check out, potentially test, well, this may be a great time to do that. Is you can collect your data, back test that strategy. If it looks promising, you could go into a small size, try that out, and see how that potentially may work for you going forward at minimal risk. And when the markets aren't too hot, too stressful, now may be a good time to do that. Also, performing due diligence on stocks. If there's stocks that you're interested in, you think you might want to invest in, you might want to trade in the future, um, dig in and do your own due diligence and see is how healthy is this stock, how well are they going to survive the recession, what kind of inflation sensitive or interest rate sensitive debt do they have, are they going to have enough cash to survive? That way, when it presents a good opportunity, you're ready. You know which ones you want to buy. When we get near a bottom for that stock, or you get a near rational reaction to an earnings report or something, then you know, okay, yeah, this is a healthy, good company that I want to buy, and I'm just looking for an opportunity to do that. Is that Twilio? So my and I'll maybe I'll look at that for our live stream tomorrow, Tanbir. But my question is Twilio profitable? These unprofitable software companies, I wouldn't touch right now. Going into recession and the economic cycle we're in. So that's a generalization. I'd have to look at Twilio to see if they're profitable and how healthy they are. Technologically, yeah, the technology would make sense, but in terms of a company, are they profitable? So a lot of these high growth software companies are getting really beat up because they're not profitable. Um, So another thing to do when you have time, and this is also a note to myself, and I need to find more time, is automate your processes. Is what can you do to automate your trading processes, or any of your other processes, to make yourself more efficient and effective, so that when a good trade presents itself, or even to alert yourself on trades. We can't watch everything, so how do we get alerts on the setups and the types of trading strategies that you want to trade? How do you know when that is conducive? So again, that's something we've been working on for many years, but we have a long way to go to make our trading processes even more automated, more efficient. Um, and we do have another channel, virtual consulting channel, where all the automation tools, etc., that I use, I'm putting how-to videos, etc., tips and tricks videos, and an automation playlist on the virtual consulting channel, so you can see those. There's a number on how we use Zapier, etc. So I'll probably do more on some of the other automation tools that you can use to automate your trading processes. So what if I just Fonz asked, what if I just throw 5K in Q and SPY during the recession? Well, in the long run, right, the markets always recover and go up. The question is how long will it take? Um, and as you'll see tomorrow in our part two, what we use in those regards is VTI, which is the total market index that covers all the markets. So we're not as sensitive to just the Qs or the SPYs. So again, if you come back tomorrow, we'll talk about how we've been trading VTI. So, and we'll look at the risk reward profile for that. Those have to go to all. Do not have to. Those have to go back to all-time highs as stocks do not have to correct. I'm not. I'm not sure if I understand that particular comment, but again, we'll talk about, the VOO is one that's SPY only. You could just, if you want to bet some money on just the Qs, just the SPY, just the Dow, um, you can. A good ETF for just the SPY is VOO. Again, we like VTI better. Um, and it's VTI, Victor Tango Indigo, is the Vanguard Total Market Index, and it covers like 4,000 stocks. So again, we like it. It's pretty stable. And again, if the tech-heavy NASDAQ goes down one day and the SPY or the Dow go up, then again, it's relatively stable. So, and they just paid out a nice special dividend that we collected, so that was nice. So, the content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch list, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the beach bum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us again be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow beach bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.